Hi, I'm Fides Gimenez and I'm a Shopee Livestreamer. So as Shopee Livestreamers, usually we are influencers who just talk about what we're good at or our advocacy. It's just really random stuff. So sometimes I show my viewers what I've bought and I recommend stuff that I want them to buy or try as well. Sometimes it's a branded stream. We are tasked to promote products or certain brands. Before the pandemic, so I was a fitness coach. I used Instagram to share my tips and knowledge. So that's how I built an audience on Instagram, and I guess that's how they found me. So my account manager on Shopee just contacted me to ask if I wanted to join as a live streamer. It's pandemic naman, walang ginagawa. So sabi ko, yeah, this would be a good way, you know, to spend my time. At least I'm interacting with other people as well. So I had to quit my job, even if, you know, I love teaching talaga. Like, that's my passion. I quit my job and I started focusing on the business. And then I decided to take a break sa business because, you know, of some events. So I mentioned earlier that, you know, I love teaching. So I started coaching, I started competing in CrossFit. And then afterwards, I guess I was onboarded as a fitness influencer since I used my platform on Instagram as well to share my tips about fitness. So there, that's how I became a Shopee live streamer. My first stream was super awkward. As in, like, I would watch the replay and then sobrang cringe, like sobrang stiff. I would be so stiff and then yung smile ko rin sobrang fake. So yan. Ngayon medyo mas comfortable na. Like, I'm super natural na in front of the camera. I keep my viewers engaged by being friendly, by interacting with them. Kasi, you know, may viewer ako nagkwento na parang mag-isa lang siya sa house ngayong pandemic. Eh, diba, since lockdown, parang you don't get a lot of social interaction. So, diba, it can get lonely. So, she watches live streams to, parang to not feel alone. Ang ganda lang isipin na parang you're part of their day. To keep the live streams engaging, parang you really have to interact with your viewers. It's not all about you. Parang, kamusta mo yung viewers mo na, oh, kamusta ka? Ganyan, kumain ka na ba today? Anong ulam mo today? As in, I ask them, like, kasi I stream at noon. So, tinatanong ko sila lagi, anong ulam nyo? Ganyan, ako hindi pa ako kumain, or kamusta? Kamusta yung school? Bakasyon na ba? So, ganun lang. Mga simple things like that. Parang you're not just the one sharing. Kasi kaya nga siya live stream, diba? Versus like a YouTube channel na parang you only get to comment afterwards or after watching the video. But with live streams kasi, you get to interact real time. So, take advantage of that kasi they watch live streams because they want to interact with you. How I prep for my streams depends on whether it's a regular stream or if it's a branded stream. Of course, if it's a branded stream, I want to be prepared because, you know, I'm collaborating with a certain brand. So I make sure that I'm presentable, like I'm wearing presentable clothing or I've done my makeup and, you know, the products are laid out in front of me for the viewers to see. But if it's just a regular stream, I just, you know, what I do these days is I just, you know, put the camera on, put my stream on, and I do my makeup while streaming. As in, while I'm streaming, while I'm talking to the viewers, while we're, you know, purchasing items from Shopee or sharing whatever random stuff I have to share with them on that day. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I usually stream, and here it goes. All right, do I have everything I need? I think we're good. So let's start. Okay, ayan. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, hello, and welcome. So I'm just checking my hair. How's my hair? Today, I'm just gonna show you guys yung mga nabili ko ng 5-5 and yung mga gusto kong i-recommend sa inyo para sa ating, ano bang upcoming sale? 6-6 or payday sale? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga bagay na ito habang naghihintay tayo ng ibang viewers. Don't be shy to say hi in the comment section so I can acknowledge and greet you and, you know, give you a warm welcome dito sa ating live stream. Alright, so ito guys, meron ako mga nabili ng 5-5 na gusto kong i-recommend sa inyo. So ito yung unang bagay na nabili natin ng 5-5. So ano ba to? Ano ba to? Para siyang ano, tiger ka ba? So ayan, tiger yata siya. Diba, ginaganon ba yun sa, ano, sa YouTube, diba? So ayan, tiger siya. And you know, nakita ko to sa bahay ni Mama. Yan, may ganito si Mama. Promise talaga. Tapos, ang dami niyang, sobrang useful siya. Pwede siyang paperweight. Ano pa ba? Pwede siyang, massager kung gusto mo. Diba? So, marami talaga siyang uses. Like, pwede rin siya pang display. Siguro yun yung yun yung pinaka-normal na use niya. I-add to cart nyo na to, guys. Nandyan yan sa orange basket natin sa ating screen. So, tapos ang next recommendation ko, ito. Ayan, super nice. Ano ba tawag dito? Mason jar, diba? Mason jar. So, meron din siyang straw na reusable. So, very eco-friendly. Para at least, hindi na tayo gumagamit ng mga plastic cups. You can use it for shakes, mga cold beverages. Pwede rin siya for, let's say, for display. Ganyan, kung gusto niyo maglagay ng dried flowers sa loob. Sabihin natin, may bigay yung boyfriend nyo or yung crush nyo na bouquet of flowers, diba? Pag mag-break kayo, madali lang siya itapon. Bubuksan nyo lang, tapos tapon nyo lang, ganon. So, diba? Very easy to dispose. So, yan. And yung aking last recommendation na nabili ko ng 5.5, itong saging. Ayan. So, diba, makikita nyo fresh na fresh. Anong petsa na ngayon? Fresh pa rin siya. So, tulad nitong tiger figurine natin, marami din siyang uses. So, makikita nyo sa shape niya, yung nature ng shape niya talaga, like, marami talaga siyang uses. Ayun, ewan ko, parang ang appealing lang ng shape niya. Tsaka, diba, parang very smooth. So, yun. So, itong saging talaga na to, as in, ma-recommend ko talaga. Na-ship siya sa akin via JNT. Makikita nyo naman, very minimal damage, diba? Fresh pa rin siya ngayon. So, yun. Ayan, sa mga, mahilig mag-workout sa bahay. So, kailangan nyo ng compact na yoga mat. Madali siyang i-store. Pwede nyo siyang i-store ng patayo, pahiga, kung paano nyo gusto. Tsaka, very soft. So, yon. Ako minsan lalabas ko yung yoga mat ko, gusto ko mag-workout, ang ending, wala, humihiga lang ako, natutulog. So yan, those are my Shopee recommendations, mga haul ko from 5.5, and sana nagustuhan nyo. So, thank you so much for watching. That's all for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So, take care, love you guys, be kind, be loving, and be empowered. See you! Bye! So that's how I usually end my streams. So after I stream, I usually put away my stuff. So my makeup's, scattered all over the place. So I just put them together and rearrange them for the next day. And then I close my laptop. So after streaming for even just 1 hour, sometimes it gets super draining. As in, like, I just want to sleep all day kahit dami pang gagawin after. So, ganun siya. Nakakapagod siya. But it's fulfilling naman kasi, it's like hanging out with friends virtually. I've been streaming for a year already, so my anniversary was last May 14. I have viewers who have been watching me since May 14, since I started, and they're still watching me now regularly. So, diba, nakakatuwa lang. And these are people na, alam mo yung feeling ko, friends ko talaga, kahit di ko pa sila na-meet in person. And after the pandemic, after the lockdown, like, I would love to meet them in person. When I'm not streaming, I coach, or sometimes I do things or do tasks for my business. So we make custom phone cases. So I also find time, I try my best to find time to make content for Instagram, for brand collabs. And then, whatever time's left, I try to do my errands or my personal chores kasi, that's what I really find challenging these days. How do I balance all of these things? The answer is I don't. So, diba? Like I said, it's very challenging talaga to fit all of it in one day. I can't say that, I'm entirely successful as a live streamer, but I guess I can say that what helped me thrive as a streamer is being friendly and, very accommodating towards my viewers. Streaming isn't for everyone, and you'll never know if it's for you or if it's something that you'll enjoy unless you try it. I think you just have to find something that you can talk about, like focus on what you're good at, what you do for work. My message to aspiring live streamers is to just be yourself. So, diba, just be yourself because, with live streaming, you're really gonna meet a lot of friends, a lot of new friends. Your viewers are gonna turn friends. So, diba, parang just be yourself so you can find people who have a lot of common. A lot of common. Ano daw? Find people you have a lot In common with, yon. Okay, so that's what I mean. Gets nyo na yon. Nakalimutan ng English. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to The Sunny Side Up here on YouTube and please like and share this video if you enjoyed it. You can find me on Shopee and Instagram at Fides Gimenez. Bye!